Today's meeting is really to just express our appreciation for the support we have received from you, members of the Fourth Estate. I'm here, obviously, with the team from the Capital Markets Authority. I'm hoping that you've had a chance to interact with them. From about last year, about June 2011, we started the process of procuring a surveillance system. We currently undertake a surveillance system from the time that the automated trading system of the stock exchange was installed from 2006. But what we are looking at doing is upgrading. And this is a process that we commenced last year from about June. And we invited expressions of interest, again, through the public procurement system that we have. And based on that, we did finally conclude this system, and today we are going to be signing the contract with Infotech, which is a private company that is based out of Pakistan, and that was actually the one that we awarded the highest, both technical and financial bid. But what I'd like to talk about is really the issue of surveillance. It's very critical for a regulator to ensure that there is market integrity. And based on that, we have been undertaking surveillance, but it is critical, again, because of the dynamic market that we operate in, that we have a smart surveillance system. We believe this system that we will be installing as soon as we sign the contract will be very critical, because it will allow us to not only surveil the market, but it will have very important features for us that will allow us to even be able to play the market even after hours. It will also be able to use data mining techniques so that we are able to actually do a trend analysis of all the investors that are trading in the market. And it will also be able to profile what also be they issuers, be they the intermediaries are also engaged in. So it will really be a robust system for us, and we are looking forward to really moving our market to the next level. Because we don't want to stay stagnant. As you know, the process of automation started in November 2004 when our Central Depository and Settlement Corporation was instituted. Thereafter, the trading at the Nairobi Securities Exchange commenced in 2006. And subsequently, in 2007, the wide area network, where brokers could trade from their offices, also commenced. And recently, we have seen what you call the broker back office, which is now the last stage where the back office operations of the intermediaries are integrated with the trading at the Nairobi Securities Exchange. So we believe this surveillance system will now be able to cater from an overall perspective the entire automation of our industry. So this is a good milestone for us in terms of being able to actually assure investor protection and assure market integrity of our market. As I invite Mr. Akhtar, I'd like to just talk about the need for us to automate. In as much as we automate, this reduces systemic risks, but it also introduces other risks that may be present. So the need for us to continuously keep increasing our capacity to look at the malpractices related to IT risks. Our Department of ICT, we have Bwana Richard Churcher, who is the manager of ICT. He has a fully fledged department that is looking at IT. We also have our CISA surveillance officers as well, who are qualified in IT assessment. And we believe this will be critical as we move forward. I will let Mr. Akhtar talk about the system that we have acquired. It's called MS Capisar. We've written a lot about it in the press release, but we have also seen that they have been successful in Ghana, as well as in Pakistan and other countries in Asia. So we believe, again, this system is in use, and it's very critical for us to also be part of the change. We are going to be spending about 48 million on this system, which is quite a huge investment for us, but we believe we will see the results of the same. Thank you very much.